So I wanted to do a quick video for everyone out there choosing between the Dyson V10 Animal and the V10 Motorhead. It's a little bit confusing to choose between the two, and it's not quite clear what the difference is, so I wanted to get into that. First of all, the main thing is going to be the price, obviously, right? That's why you're watching this video. The V10 Animal that I purchased sells for between $4.99 and $4.50, depending on if you could catch it on a sale or not. The Motorhead is regularly going for about $3.50 right now, which is definitely appealing. Still very expensive. This is a very expensive vacuum, but $3.50 is a big difference between $4.50 or $4.99. So then we have the color. The Animal is purple. The Motorhead is red. Probably not a huge difference to you, but I know for a lot of people, red is gonna be more appealing than purple. Again, not a huge difference. The main difference between the two is the main cleaning head. The V10 Animal comes with this. This is the new torque drive cleaning head. The Motorhead comes with the old design, the direct drive cleaning head. They're both powered cleaning heads, but the torque drive is the new generation one with some improvements. The main improvements are this soft piece on the bottom. This is gonna help create a better seal, which means all your suction power is being used for lifting grime and dirt and stuff off of the floor. If this will also pick up debris that might get swept past this. It's gonna seal it in and push it forward and hope you're gonna pick it up. You also have this bumper here. This is just gonna protect your furniture and walls from getting scuffed up by this hard plastic. Then we have this feature right here. This is a gate right here. So basically, as you push this, this goes down and it creates a flat surface, which will create essentially a seal against the floor for maximum suction power. But if you open it up, then you have these little channels, which means the vacuum will be better at picking up larger debris. So cereal, Legos, stuff like that. That's been a real shortcoming of the Dyson direct drive head, and it's better on the torque drive head. So this right here is probably worth $100. In fact, if you were to buy this on its own, it sells for over $100, or will sell when it goes on sale. So this is the main difference between the two. With the Animal, you also get two other cleaning heads that you don't get with the Motorhead. You get this. This is called the mini soft dust brush. And all it is just a dust brush with these soft bristles. And this is used for cleaning off blinds, behind your TV, and other sensitive areas, maybe a bookshelf. Sensitive areas where you don't wanna apply a lot of pressure, and you definitely don't want a motorized head. You also get this, which is a fairly substantial purchase. This is the mini motorized tool. And what this is a small motorized, so powered head. That's why you could see this little motor unit right here. But this is a small powered head. And this is ideal for cleaning out boats and cars and anything where you need a lot of power, but you want it in a really compact size. It's also good for steps, especially if you have curved steps and stuff like that. Like, this is gonna be something you use all the time, either with the wand for reaching, or it's great to plug directly into the vacuum. It's a little awkward with the camera in the way. Plug directly into the vacuum, and then you have a motorized head that gives you a lot of power, and it keeps this unit as small as possible. It looks a little ridiculous on the V10 because it is such a large vacuum, but it means a lot of power in a small space. And that head, if you were to buy it aftermarket, is not cheap either. Then the V10 has a slightly larger bin. Just the capacity is gonna be a little bit larger. Not big enough to make a difference. The Animal has a slightly larger bin. Not big enough to make a difference, but it is bigger. And then obviously the biggest difference is probably why you're watching this video, is that price. So hopefully this helps you make your decision between the two. I opted for the Animal because I wanted the torque drive head and the mini motorized head, but saving $100 or $150 is really great as well. So thanks for watching.